To add an existing discussion forum to your content area in Blackboard, first switch on your edit mode. Then you want to hover to Tools, click on Discussion Board. Then it'll give the option to link to the discussion board page. This is where all your discussion forums reside. Or you can select a discussion board forum, which we're going to click on, and then select the forum that you want to link to. So I'm going to select Module 1 Discussions. Then I'm going to click Next. And I can paste a description here. And once I'm done, I will hit Submit. And you'll see we've added a link to Module 1 Discussion Forum. So if a student were to click this link here, it would take them to the Module 1 Discussion Forum.